Hey guys, I'm at the tunnel. It's pretty scary. And I don't know what to do now. I'm just gonna look around. I've not been here for a long time. I'm going down. Oh, it's wet. Wait, I have to stay low. There's someone coming. I think I got spotted. I know I'm okay. But it's pretty scary. It's a bit light now because I got a new phone. I'm going down. Don't know if it's wet or not. I'm going down. What was that noise? I hear some kind of bird. What was that? I heard something behind me creaking. What's down here? What is that? Shit, crickets. I'm scared of crickets. I heard a rat. Oh fuck. I'm sorry if I swear. Oh shit. I can swear, but can you hear that? Oh my god. So this video has been recording for 2 minutes. Shit. Car just went past. 2 cars. What's down there? This video might be for 10 minutes, I don't know. Another car. Shit. I'm scared now. What is that computer piece right there? Shit, another car. It slowed down. This wasn't here last time, this bush. Hey, stuff has grown here. All insects. Oh my god, it's going crazy. Some millipede. It's not safe here because I might get jumped. Oh my god, that ant is going. Oh my god, I heard a dent. Echo! Car. What was that? All of these are big ants. That's a big spider right over there. I love these millipedes. They're beautiful. If I get demonetized, I don't know what to do. But I will make more videos. What is that? What is that coming over here? Oh my god. That's a giant spider. I heard something. What the heck? I saw a shadow. I'm leaving. What the? Chainsaw. I hear a chainsaw. I hear a chainsaw. Shit. Oh, no. Alright, I'll stop recording here. Bye guys and girls.